front of me is Motorola RAZR 30, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and the Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to fix it, tap on this gear next to Password Manager and make sure that Offer to Save Password option is on. Offer to Save Passwords, option is on. Then log into any of your apps and hit Save in the pop-up About Autofill. This way, your password will appear over here and all of those settings will be visible. Then you will be able to tap on this plus next to Search Passwords and add any password you want. At the top, input site data, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Enter username or email. Password, and even some helpful notes. When you finish, just hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!